let's harvest some potatoes. The section that I'm going to harvest are actually potatoes I got at the grocery store. They sprouted and I decided to plant them to see how they would do. So we're gonna harvest these ones first. They were the first to go downhill. It's currently like 90 degrees out, which means it has cooled down. So we're gonna do our best not to totally die out here. Here is this row of potatoes. These are all the ones that I got as seed potatoes. And here are the grocery store ones. Now this end isn't too bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this whole row here. Just something to note, seed potatoes, guaranteed disease-free. Store-bought potatoes, you're not guaranteed. So we're gonna see what we get, if anything. In case. Oh, I am actually surprised, pleasantly. I mean, obviously they're not all like huge, but you saw the state of that plant. It was not great. Whoa. Oh my gracious. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. This is the same spot I was just digging in. And they're like little, you know, baby like new potatoes. Oh, look at those potatoes. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I was expecting, but this is way better than I honestly thought. I thought there were gonna be like no potatoes in here. They're like all little baby. Oh, geez, you scared me, dude. Gosh, snake. If you leave these tiny little ones, they will be new plants next year. Those are so great to like cook in olive oil with herbs, like in a skillet. Oh my gosh. So I think this was a russet that I had planted, literally just from the grocery. Good grip. This is the original one I planted, so that would just not taste good. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's see how many more I can do before I run out of time. Okay, I still have to finish up these, but I'm like out of time for recording. But I got all of these